Okay, let's see if the whoopsie if the stream worked. I mean, it says I'm live, so hey, yay. I did not change the stream name. Eh, beta testing is fine. I still technically am. Uh, tags are annoying. I don't understand how people do like Twitch full time because it is a lot of work. I know most people see it as just like playing games in front of people, but just like any other popularity, like a celebrity and stuff, you need to keep good image, which that itself isn't necessarily hard, but it's being consistent with your views, being engaged with the audience. As an introvert, that just sounds too much work. I'd rather just be myself, and if people don't like it, then L. English software development, KTANE, Unity, C Sharp. C Sharp is not something I can do, at least not with the Octothorpe. C Sharp, C Sharp programming, C Sharp .NET, C Sharp development. Okay, that's fine. Great. So I did lie a little bit in the sense that I did not fix the highlighting, but I think I did something better. Oh, I actually have to play the game now. I forgot. Repo requests. What do you mean? Oh, God. This is why we beta test. Because I pressed repo request unless I didn't. Oh my God. What did I do? Oh. Well, that's unfortunately not working as intended. Why are all these? Oh shit. Why are all these people lowercase? Okay, well. Okay, so there's a lot of things going on right now that seems to be broken, and that's fun. Um, let's just do one thing at a time. So the first thing I want to do is I want to change this manual a bit. So when you're eating, I want you to alright, pick that option. Pick that option. Solve the module. Click on Kuro in the voice channel. Click on Kuro's profile picture. to repeat what he said. Yeah, that's actually in here now. Okay. I never use popsicles. So I don't. I could add more images, but I think it's just gonna be bloating the whatchamacallit even more. Okay, time to beta test this thing even more. Yippee! Okay, so let's go back and go through everything. Okay, first of all, let's do the easy things first. So, why is Kit's name in lowercase? Is it because the texture is lowercase? It is. So Acer needs to be an A. Oh, yeah, that's the issue, I believe. Okay, that should hopefully fix half the problems I just saw. Maintaining the repo. Go to repo requests. Okay, so for some reason clicking on repo request does not do anything, and that's annoying. So let's turn debug mode back on. Is there a way to... Okay, I do not want to re-enable everything, so I'm just going to keep it the way it is. Debug mode, and then... Oh dear. Okay. Maintaining the repo. So first I have to check desired task equals this, and turn debug mode back on. Okay, so what happens when I click repo request? Yeah, where... Okay, you press repo request. You pressed repo. Okay, you're an idiot. Let's put this all... Oh, yeah. So I think I just added a line where I just didn't need to. Okay. Alright, so CL... Kamiya... Yay! And yeah, you can see I added the solve state. Update the solve state, rather. It does game, Spotify, and it also does voice channels. But that seems to have fixed itself. So I'm going to turn this off. And let's see. Let's see. Great. Okay. I think that's working fine. So there's two things I can do. I can either do highlighting or do more beta testing. I think I have done enough beta testing, and it's possible, like, if I get something wrong, messing with the highlighting, then that should be an easy fix. I've been putting off this highlighting ever since I started the module. I think I started with the highlighting first because it was like a cosmetic thing that I didn't think would take that long. But I guess I misinterpreted that, and that's where I am right now. Who knows? Maybe if I started with the highlighting, I mean with the actual logic first, maybe I would have been more motivated to work on the bomb or the mod, and it wouldn't have taken me an entire year to finish. Who knows? So right now, repo request. So the highlighting, it does seem to working for everything, so that's good. But what happens when I click on a mod? Okay, so repo request, I did do it for repo request. That's good. And now let's see, did I do the same thing for mod ideas? And you do mod ideas when you're creating a mod. I did not do it for mod ideas. So whatever I did for repo requests in terms of coloring, I gotta do the same thing there, which happens when it's clicked on. So on a repo request. Oh. So each text channel has an activate and deactivate, and you are kidding me. So I just need to copy this and put everywhere. So on mod ideas, well, not everywhere. So on mod ideas, Yay. Oh my god, I didn't put the code that... okay. That shouldn't be hard. Okay, so first of all, put this at the bottom so we don't fuck it up later. And then just do a check. Jesus Christ, this is a little long thing. So if it's gonna move down here. If what is it, current mod text location equals text location dot, what is it, then return. And that's just to make sure the logging doesn't go haywire. I should probably make sure I did that in repo request as well. Cool. And now, did the same thing happen for repo requests? Desired task equals... Or I could just look at it on... No, I did. Okay, cool. And, I know it's inconsistent the way I'm doing it, but I don't really care right now. Okay, and now I need to check on voice text modded. So after I do all this, I need to just call... too far down. General deactivate. I should just make a method that always just calls general deactivate, but whatever. Okay, so now I need to play KTANE. Play KTANE. Modded, okay, so join modded alpha, and then this, so wait, okay. And then, well, at least I know the pausing works. Yay! That looks gross, but whatever. And then, what does it look like when you join a call on Discord? It's pretty good, no one joins. And my Discord crashed. Fantastic. I don't think it's that bad. In the sense that Kuro's in the call. I don't think I need to make these highlighted. I think it's common enough to know, and I have strikes to make it so if you press one of those channels, you get to not do it. So I think, I guess I did do all the work. I just needed to call the methods to do the highlighting, because like that's done, I think. I guess I was closer than what I really thought. Fix highlight, fix active channel, highlights. All right. This is done. Technically, it didn't even exist. So now all I really need to do is fix the thing to look in the opposite way and find a Discord leaving sound. Let's do this one. Unfortunately, the issue occurs because UVs and stuff, so it's rather easier to just open up Photoshop and just change the invert the images, which is rather unfortunate, but whatever. It works if it works if it works. I just gotta wait for this to actually open up. Can I open? The one thing that sucks about this version of Photoshop is that I can't copy and paste. I have to go through each one manually, or each whatchamacallit, file manually, folder, rather than just copying and pasting the file path in. Now, it should just be image. Edit, maybe? Oh, here we go. Vertically correct. Nope, not the wrong. That's the wrong way. Horizontally. Image rotation, horizontal, save, and then just do that a bunch of times. I hope I'm changing the ones that are in the the module itself and not the manual. I mean, I guess it's fine if it isn't, then I can always just flip them back. Or just change, swap the files. Okay, those are all the other profiles, and I just need to change Kuro's moods. I think I've been looking at them the wrong way so often that they look right to me, and so looking at them the way that they're supposed to look just is not is making me uncomfortable. But now that we have that done, let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks right. Cool. I'm just gonna say they all are this correct. Let me just make sure by looking through angry. Whatever. Okay. Revert images. Or I don't know, revert. I don't know. Flip images. Alright, change the Discord sound. Let me see if I can actually find the correct Discord sound. Nope, that's the wrong one. Boy. Nope. Nope. I'm never gonna get this. I love this is bloating my stream history. Nope. No one knows what the thing I'm listening for. There we go. Um, let me change it to going to bed, I guess. Now the only thing left to do is TP. Oh, I don't want to do TP. Okay, we'll start with the easy one first, and then we'll start with a hard one. So we'll start with going to bed. I first need to remember how to do this. So, and all the things that some person can get wrong. Okay, so we're gonna say use blank. So first we're gonna say bed. So what are the things that you can do in TP? I'm gonna just put this in Markdown. So you can, oh boy, bed, not bed, join, and then either text slash text slash voice channel. And the options you have are mod ideas, which we're just gonna call mod ideas, like that. Repo requests. Repo requests, voice text modded. And then chill zone alpha, chill zone Charlie, Bravo, and Charlie. Chill zone Charlie. And I think it will be annoying if someone has to type out chill zone every time. So we're just gonna say, oh, but I do have to say also modded alpha. Modded. Oh, so I can't do chill zone. I can't just say alpha because there's modded alpha as well, so I have to do these 4. Unfortunate, but oh well. And this is gonna be. So let's just get the regex out. And then we have end call. And then we can say repeat for food. Okay, and so regex 101, I said whatever. So the 4 options we have are these. Repo requests, voice text modded, modded alpha, chill zone alpha. Okay. So if I say join, and then the option, so the first word has to be join, and then the next word is whatever. Oh my goodness, thank God. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna have to make everything too lowercase, but that's fine. And then I need for end call, it's just end call. So And then repeat is just repeat. Okay, and then let's look at the manual and see what we need to do for each. Okay, maintaining the repo. What do you do there? So click on repo request. We have that. You will see 3 requests from 3 users. So after getting your starting value, modify it by this. If the module name is double it, claim. Okay, so we can. I have the word claim in here, so it would make sense to say claim. Whatchamacallit, claim, and then the name. Okay, claim name, and then the name will be whoever did the request. That's fine. And then for creating a module, we already have joining, so that should work. I gotta probably make that a quirk. Man, we'll worry about that later. Okay, so we already have mod ideas, and then if a module idea's topic is related to something Kuro loves, select that option. However, the mod, okay. And then I'm just gonna make it so it says choose mod idea. And it's just gonna say claim or choose. Okay, and then to claim a request, click on the user's profile. Yeah. Creating mods. Oh, that was the wrong thing. Yeah, it chose curl, whatever. You must figure out which one it chill zone. We did that, and then for food, I should probably like make it so these are categories, but it's fine. So for food, this is gonna be. Actually, we're gonna do this. Eat. And then for claiming it, I'm just gonna say 1, 2, and 3 in reading order. And we're gonna say eat food in reading order. We're gonna say eat 1, 2, or 3. So it's just gonna be this. Can I do like what happens if I say like eat 1, eat 2, and then like I don't know 4, or if I say like something like 11. Or is it like I mean that kind of works, but like I don't want it to get 11. So let's say regex get single digits. This means match a digit only if there is a non-white character before it and there's a non-white character after it. That's interesting. Yay. What is this? What if I just do this? I mean, I'm going to be trimming spaces anyway. So like if I did something like this. As for your question, it would be better to use a 0 with insertion, look behind it, but B, otherwise it will not match consecutive single digit because leading spaces, it's single digit matches. I use a double if like not that instead of this, so you also match single digits at the beginning and the end of the string. Well, I don't want that. I'd rather have this actually because I shouldn't have single digits. Oh boy. This is so ghetto. I mean, it works for what I wanted to do, and I can just refactor it. Yeah, okay, I just had a space. That was the issue the entire time. Cool. Okay, I got eating, choosing what to eat. I have the repeating. Alright, playing KTANE. So we do have the joining. And then... Okay. Okay, I have the tolerate more, so I just need to choose if they want to expert diffuse, and I'm just gonna have it just be expert diffuse. Alright. I'll be right back. I forgot to stop the recording. Well, not stop it, but pause it, but whatever. Okay. Um, what was I doing? Oh yeah, regex. Yippee. Ba 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 ba. So we have choosing a mod. Now I need to choose if I want to export or diffuse. Or rather play KTANE. Do I just want to say export diffuse? Yeah. Ba 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 ba. Eat, eat, request, choose mod idea. Cool. I don't think this is necessary. Honestly, it's kind of what's the word? Redundant. Play the game. Get ready to bed. Leaving calls. I think that's everything. So yeah, all I really need to do is just implement it and test it. We'll start with. All right. Okay. Use. All right. So first we'll do use. How the fuck do I? I always forgot what this meant. Symbol meant. Um. What does the at symbol mean? Hello. I'm doing alright. How about you? Was it an amper? That's not ampersand. I don't know what to call it. Thank you for the follow. I don't have any notifications set up. This looks like JavaScript. Okay, it's not. My day's fine. How's yours going? Why does it think this? Is this a Google thing? As symbol is used for reverse. Bullshit. Allows you to reserve keywords. Second option is this is what I'm looking for. Uh, okay, well that's fine, but what happens if I want to have this special character? Um, I'm not really a streamer. I'm just doing this for fun. and a way to keep me productive. So I don't know how long the stream's gonna be. Sorry if that's not the answer you're looking for. Uh, yeah, I don't really have a stream schedule. Okay, so use. Yeah, it's more like for fun and productivity. So join. Bro, do you want my social security number too? So 20 questions going on. Join followed by. I don't know, man. It just. I'm happy you're intrigued with what I'm doing, but I just don't feel comfortable with someone asking me, like, how often I stream and, what do I do in my free time and such. Maybe it's just me being paranoid, but, yeah, it just freaked me out a bit. I'll answer some of your questions, at least some that are publicly available. I am a programmer. I specifically study game design, and I play video games. So when I get into game development as a career, I'm now modding a game called KTANE, or Keep Talking and No One Explodes. Yeah, that's pretty much there is to it. Followed by these channels. Um, well, based on my Steam hours, KTANE is definitely up there. Um, I've been wanting to play more Stardew. Stardew. In general, just JRPGs. JRPGs, RPGs in general. I like to dab my feet in everything. This is tedious. There has to be probably an easier way to do this. I'm not answering that question. Sorry, man. Um, I'm gonna ask you to like chill with the questions. I swear to God, if I get an email later about someone trying to hack into my account, I do mind if you do that. So, if you send a link, you will be banned. Oh, fuck off. I thought about having stream chat on, but bots like that are just annoying. Um, oh yeah, I forgot to turn TP on. There we go. Let's do a 1 and then a help. And can I copy? No, I got to do that. Mod IDs, request, voice channel, mod of Alpha, Chillzone Bravo, Chillzone Charlie, or Chillzone Charlie, that should say. Or Chillzone Charlie to join that channel. And then I'm going to say use and call is what I have. Otherwise use, the hell did I just do? Otherwise use okay, so here goes into the specifics. So we have repeating food. If your desired task is eating, use repeat to repeat what Kuro wants to eat. Use God fucking damn it. Use what is it? Eat following by the number 1, 2, or 3 to choose that food option in reading order. Okay, and then if what's next? If the food is no, I did food. Food's all done. Now I gotta do what's the next request? If the desired task is eating, is not eating, is repo request, is maintaining the repo. Use, and then the claim. Oh my god. Use, not claim. Choose. Followed by the mod author. I don't know. Mod idea author. Mod ideas author's name. That sounds gross. I don't care. And then last one, if Okay. Let's see how that looks. Use. Oh boy. Oh, and I did new lines, which means it's not going to show up. I'm going to DM someone about that to see. Do you know if it's possible to use new lines such like this and it looks fine in TP, or does it have to be all on one line? Whatever, just, yeah, sure. And then just do C#. And then we'll get a response back in like an hour or 3 days. No hate, but I get how people are with jobs and stuff. We'll just assume that's fine for now. If it's not, then we can do it. So I'm just gonna say command. I hate how the tabbing works in this, but whatever. Command equals command, and we'll just say to lower. Oh, now you want to work, whatever. And then let me look at how, I don't know, like, say, fuck. Trim. That's what I need, trim as well. Okay, let's do the... And then where do I do the yield return null? Yeah, right there, right afterwards. Okay, so then I need to remember how regex works in C#. C sharp. If it decides to load anytime soon. Come on. While that's loading, let's do procedural maze. Let's see how that TP was done. Okay, so yeah, I should have a thing that says first verify that like the updating is done. Wait for. Please wait until module is done loading. And then we'll just do replace this, and then we want to do join call. But then I need to actually check to see if the call actually exists, so I need to elaborate more on this regex. Fucking hell. Okay, and then what is it? Is it the? I don't remember if it's ever the $sign first or the or the caret. It looks like it's the caret first. Okay, cool. Let me just steal this. I love thievery. And then we're just gonna have a thing that says if it does match, join that call. Why have match if I can just do this? Boys, Jesus Christ. Please learn how to spell. I should just get rid of this keyboard. I hate it so much. I'm just never used to using it. So is this equal success? Then... I need a switch, don't I? Oh wait, no, I do need that match. Fuck. Yeah, oh well. So if the match is a success, then I need to do a switch on the match dot... Is it groups? I'm a lot better at this in JavaScript than I am with C#. Dot value, interesting. Okay, and then just do a case for all of them. So we have mod ideas. Repo request, voice checks modded, modded alpha, chill zone bravo, chill zone Charlie. And I think that's all of them. And then chill zone Charlie, cool. Okay, and then so now I need to just call the on interact. So for mod ideas, you would just do on. What is that? A crow routine? No, okay, that was not. It's repo request or crow routine on repo request. On chill zone alpha, there's a reason why I made these all methods, and I remembered why right now. Alright, I need these coroutines. No, 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 no. Oh, yes, you are. Okay, the rest aren't. Cool. So, I'm gonna implement them all, then I'm gonna test them. So, what's next? So we did the joining, now we gotta do the ending of a call. So, on... what did I do with that markdown? Here we go. So just copy this line, put it down here, and then replace this with this, and then just do this. Match, and then copy all this. Boom. First, I gotta check if the thing is even in a check. Check if a person is in a VC, and then do on call end or on what is it? What was that? Call button click. Okay, why is the K capitalized? Okay, so let's say if current voice location equals voice location none, then just send a chat error. What is it? Okay. And then, so that's done. Alright, so repeat food. And then what is that? That is just repeat. I hate implementing Twitch plays in itself, but I love implementing auto solvers because if the Twitch plays is already implemented, then all I just need to call is the TP methods. Or rather the string commands. Alright, repeat food is just repeat. And then I need to check. I need to also verify. Okay, now I don't have to do that anymore. Alright, so check to see if all food options are open. I can check by looking at is my game would please load. Blah, 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 blah. Eat if eat is not disabled. So I just need to go to transform. Let me see. So it is transform dot find. I said find, and then do module active state, and then do eat. And then just do, is it active? Game object dot active. Alright, that's probably out of date. Deprecated, active in hierarchy. Interesting. If that's false, then do check if food options are open. Do yield return, and then send to chat error. Can't leave, or rather, can't choose food. Can't repeat. That is not Hazel available. Never knew how to spell that word, but whatever. So then I need to then find Kuro, where I'm just gonna do voice channel list where, or no, select VC, and then VC dot people. Actually, I'm just gonna do first where it's literally the VC, and then VC dot people dot any. I said any P dot name equals Kuro. And then of that PC, just choose. There's definitely an easier way to do this. I just don't know it. And then and then oh boy. You gotta do a get component. Wait, no, what is this? This is a game object or transform, doesn't really matter. This is a person. I can't find. Huh. How am I gonna get the okay. Better idea. We use the current voice location, so just do a switch. Actually, we're just gonna do a string voice, or what is it? VC equals what is it? Current voice location. And then we do an equals equals, and then we do a voice location dot chosen on Alpha, Bravo, or Charlie. And then wait, I can't. Can I just like just do a two-string of the enum itself? Yeah, chill zone alpha. I would have to put spaces, but is there an easy way? C sharp. Easy way to put spaces between words. That's not gonna work because I don't know. Well, I can just say chill zone and then the last thing, 4 letters. So then I can just do. So I think I've done this before. Current location dot substring. I swear to God, I have done this before. Aha. Okay. Okay, we have the voice location, and then what do? We do the first I have to say chill zone dot or chill zone, and then the thing, the name of the. There we go, and then we have the KTANE. That's fine. And then we have chill zones. I need to find the game object that has Kuro in it, which so I have to do transform. It's probably an easier way to do this, but whatever. Transform.find, and then I need to do the module active state, and then voice channels, and then this monstrosity right here. Where the okay. Chill zone, current chill zone, then whatever your thing is, and then we need to find up to the 4 people. And then this is a game out. This is a transform. BC transform. Okay, and then in this transform, I need to find the person, which I can find is up to 1 through 4. And I can just check by looking at their name. And then I can just do a for each. I need to find all the transform. C#, how to get... I don't need... I could just do a for loop. Actually needs to be 1, and this needs to be 5. We'll do it 4 and 0. Okay, and so we say vc.transform equals, not equals, find, and then we have to say the person name. And then you can say find, oh wait, I don't even need to do find again. I could just say if the person at name dot get component. Not canvas selectable. Text. What is it? Text mesh. And then take all this, put it here, and then say PFP. Wait, where's the... Oh, I'm in modded alpha. Okay, whoopsie. About to have a heart attack. This is gross. And then I'm gonna need to do the same, well, not the same thing, but a similar thing. Okay, so then I just need to do, so repeat should be done. So now I just need to do eating. Eat. And then how do I do the number? It was this again. I could just do... This is honestly more complicated than it needs to be, because then I just need to do another check to see if if the number is 1, 2, and 3. So it might just be easier to just check. This is so... Okay, cool. Yeah, that's a lot simpler than I needed it to be. Oops. Alright, so... Now, how do I do the food here? Okay, just have it be... So, do I need to... I first need to check to see that it's active in the hierarchy, which it is, so I can just steal this and then delete all this. Okay. Find the food option. So I just need to... I actually needed this. Well, not all the way through, but still. Food transform. Module active voice channel. So this needs to be replaced with... Eat. Right? And then food. And then the number. So match dot group one dot value. And then, oh, I put the KMS up here. So I can just do get component. Okay, and then claiming a request. So first I need to verify they are in repo request. First I need to capitalize the name of the person. I know there's a method, I just don't know what it is called. Okay, maybe there is already a method. Nope. Okay, there isn't a method, even though I swore to God there was. The Okay, capitalize the name. Yeah, you can do that down here, actually. Verify repo request is active. So first of all, do this all in the matching. If repo request, so just do all this. whatever this is, this entire method, not method, if statement, if the this is repo request. Come on, Unity, I know you can do it. There you go. If that if not, it's not active in a hurry, can't claim a module, can't claim a request if since repo request is not active, since you are not in repo request. Alright, since you are not in repo request, capitalize the name of a person. I did that. And then check to see if that person exists. So it's gonna be exact same as this. Repo requests, and then you do person, the okay, that person, and then I want to take that person and then check their name. Yes. Name dot get text mesh equals name, then do person dot find interact, and then oh, this should say yield break actually. And this should also be yield break. And then if this somehow happens, no person with the name. Okay, and now I think I just gotta do the same thing for not TP. What am I talking about? Mod ideas. So then instead of claim, it's choose. Can't choose an idea since you are not in mod ideas. And just change that repo request to be mod ideas. And then person 1, 2, and 3, that's all the same. Great. That was... Oh, I just need to change this to this. And great, everything's fine. Yeah, cool. I could probably refactor this to be not similar, but it's slightly different to the fact where I think it's fine. I think it's fine. And now I think the last thing is, yep, choosing expert. Choose expert. I'm actually just have them be in the same thing, since they're gonna have very similar checks. And then I can just do an if else to see which one it is. So take this match one more time, and then just say and since I do not trust myself, I'm going to verify that this is the correct. So first I need to verify that the person is in which one? Which, what is it? Voice text modded. Not that one. These are the text channels, voice channels, profiles, repo request, mod ideas, eat, play KTANE. It's that one. So do this. What is it? If it's play KTANE, it's not active. Otherwise, if you're not in it, okay. So then you just need to choose if you want to choose the expert or diffuse. There's literally nothing else to it. So if group or match dot group dot one dot value equals diffuse, then choose diffuse. Otherwise, choose expert, and then otherwise return. Add TP support. This is so... Well, it wasn't that bad. Well, then again, I didn't test it yet, so... Alright, so let's start from the beginning and test all the things first, so... Okay. So let's start with typing in something really fast while it's loading. Damn. Alright, yeah, help of course will work. Let's try, let's try expert. And there's our first exception. Yay. What happened? Wait, if you yield return, it doesn't whatchamacallit? Can't choose a role since you are not in voice text modded. I thought if you use send the chat, yield return, it would yield the return. All right. I don't get. Wait a minute. How do you even get through? The mod was loading. Do I need to say yield break as well? What? How did I do this in Cruel Simpleton? That reminds me. Did I ever add TP to make your meet your maker? I don't think I did. This has nothing to do with what I'm currently going through, but I didn't. Oh wait, no, that's the wrong mod. Where? Oh no, I did. Okay. No, did I add it for Purgatory's nameless? Did I add this? I did. Okay, sorry. I just need to. Now I'm curious. Purgatory's nameless. Oh, I did. Huh. I don't remember doing this, but at least I did it. I don't get it. Why does I'm confusion. Why is this throwing exceptions? What is it? What is the except Okay. Okay. So it is reaching that. It is reaching the right thing. Please wait until mod is done loading. But it's still processing that command and I don't understand why. I want to test something. Can you see my Discord right now? No, you can't. Cool. Okay. So, isn't... What am I looking for? I'm looking for... my script. Here it is. How long have I been streaming? 2 hours and 15 minutes. Um. Uh. Honestly, I feel like that's pretty long for what I've been doing. I still want to get this beta test out the way because I don't understand why send to chat error is not working, or at least not working as I sent it expected. I thought yield return was enough to change it, or at least stop it, but it looks like I might need a yield break as well. But that does not seem to be the case here. I'm seem to be doing the exact same thing this person's doing, unless I didn't save. And if I did not, I believed I saved. I had to. No, I saved. It's just a different line. Yeah, because if I didn't save, I wouldn't be getting this error in the first place. Yeah, why are you throwing an exception? The command invocation will not continue. What the hell? Oh, I know it was an exception. Never mind. But still. I'm just waiting for this person to get back to me because I'm generally stumped. Alright, well, I can't really test anything else because. Well, I can't test the invalidation, like the validation itself, but I think I can test, like, if assuming that everything worked. So, like, if we'll do the foolproof thing afterwards, I guess. Oh, wait, hold on, they got back to me. It doesn't in that particular case. It only does if the first yield return. If it's the first yield return that is reached. Otherwise, you need to specify yield return, error, age, or yield. So if I do that and then replace this with this. Okay, let's try that. I don't know why I need to do that necessarily because. Well, he said it's because it's the first yield return, but I don't know. Let's just try it. So, one expert. Oh my god, fuck off. Okay, I'm just gonna do the yield break. Oops, I'm pressing the wrong buttons. Okay. So every time I have a yield returns in the chat error, I need to have a yield break right afterwards. Which is really interesting. Your mother. This is. Maybe I'll look at the documentation afterwards to figure out what's going on. Yay, fucking finally. Jesus Christ, I tested one thing. Okay, so let me put that in the thing. Refactored validation. TP validation. Okay, now let's test other things in the mod. I'm gonna assume pausing works, because I really don't want to test that. Okay, so first we have to join every single thingamabobber. So let's start with mod ideas. Okay, that scared me for a second. Actually, what is the help? You know, you go to mod ideas, that's good. Repo requests. Repo request, voice, text, modded. You don't need to go to voice text modded, that's fine. Modded alpha. Yay. Oh. Join modded alpha is an invalid command. That can't be right. Oh, it's because I just don't have a breakpoint there. So after this switch statement, I need a yield break. That's not really that much of a bug. You don't need to go to modded alpha. Great. Join chill zone alpha. Invalid command. Chill zone alpha. What's going on? That don't make no sense. Why is chill zone alpha not a valid command? This is... That is the exact same. I did not change a single line. Did I? Oh, did I misspell it? Oh, I did. Did I spell it with two I's? Chill. Oh, things are crashing. This is why I prefer, whatchamacallit, I prefer, I don't remember. Oh yeah, capitalization over, because it's just easier to read to me, as opposed to lowercase. Anyway, chills on alpha. Okay, so I don't think I spelled it right. Chill. Hey. Great. Now I can do chill zone Bravo. You don't need to go to chill zone Bravo Charlie. Great. Is that all of them? Yeah. And then we can test end call now. Yay. And I need to put a yield break down there. I should just verify they all have yield breaks at the end. Alright, actually... Alright, let's do repeating of food. Or the food stuff when you're not, eating. Alright. I'm just gonna say not available. Okay. So we're gonna request the food. So one end call, not end call, sorry. Repeat. Can't repeat food options since options are not available. That's good. One eat one, I guess. Can't choose food options since they're not available. And then let's say one eat 7, 5, whatever. Invalid command eat 5. Great. And now choosing a food option, that's fine. That's done. Claiming a request is I don't know. Let's do one claim A. Can't claim request since you're not a repo request. That's good. Choose a mod idea. One choose A. Choose a mod idea because you're not banned. And we did the expert one, correct? One expert. Can't choose if you're not in voice text mod. Okay. So the general thing works. Ending. Oh, what happens if I try to end a call when I'm not in? Actually, what happens when I solve the mod and or do anything when the mod is solved? One, first end call. Can't call since you're not in call. Okay. So then what if I do... Okay, then one end call. Okay, I think it's already programmed in that it doesn't do anything. Okay. Now I need to view end call, repeat food. Repeat food and choose food. Yeah. Let's force it so you're always eating. And then we'll do the multiple mod one, just so we're forcing. We don't have to wait for the loading multiple times. And TP is inactive. Okay, so we'll do one join chill zone alpha. What'd I do? You don't need to go to chill zone alpha. Oh, because I don't have whatchamacallit on. Okay, you're curious, I can go anywhere, so one chill join chill Okay.
Kuro wants pasta.
Okay. And then one. What is it? Eat one? Okay, that's what I want to. I want to change the to do change. Great. I didn't do repeat, but that's fine. What is number one? Number one is anything.
Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants eggs. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants eggs. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants eggs. Kuro wants eggs. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants pasta.
Okay. 117. No, that's 117. I just want to try the repeat. Anywhere.
Kuro wants pasta.
Okay, so 17 works. So I'm gonna solve that. I don't know what you want. 7 repeat. I'm hungry.
Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants eggs. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants eggs. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants pasta.
Alright, I'm just gonna assume that's good enough. Okay, so repeating works, so what's left? Repo requests? Repo requests. Okay. I should really just have a debug for this art request, so I don't have to change it in here many times. I don't know why it took me this long to think of that. What is it called? Debug desired request is, that's gonna be of type task. Don't know why it took that long to. Okay. Okay. And then this should pop up anytime soon. Alright, and I want to maintain the repo. And then who is the right person? You should pick Acer, so let's try one claim kit. Try this. One claim Blaze. One claim Acer. Great. Okay, and let me try someone who does exist, just in general. So let's just click on this, do repo requests, and then let's do one claim, I don't know, Kuro. Okay, one claim, and who's in it? Is Kamiya a person? No. Let's try Kamiya. Great. Now what? Oh, let's try. Have we tried claiming? I believe we have, but we can check one more time. One claim A. Great. Okay, and let's do a mod idea. Okay, choose. Choose A. Can't choose an idea since you're not in mod ideas. And let's try one. Join mod ideas. Great. And so I know curl is wrong. So let's try one. Choose curlbot. Bullshit. One. Choose good hood. Okay. This is wrong. Because these people do exist. Oh, okay. I'm gonna need to refactor two things. Because I forgot that Curlbot and Goodhood are people who could possibly... So I just need to make this two lower. What the... Can you not do... What is value? A string, so 2 uppercase. Or is it string 2 upper? Or is it just upper? Oh my goodness, someone. Please. What is the... Okay. Yes, 2 upper. Why is this not letting me do this? I'm so confused. Wait, is this a character? Oh, that's why. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so 2 lower. I can just... Am I ever using this again? Yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter what I choose, I just need it to be consistent. And then steal this, and then... After I'm done debugging, I'm gonna either... Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done. Feel my voice starting to get dry. What am I doing? Oh yeah, repo requests. So now I need to either get Curlbot or Good Hood. That's probably easier to do as multi. Okay, what's left? Exporting, diffusing. It should be rather simple. Okay, that's it. I'm heading off.